taking this pretty hard on myself, and you probably ain't gonna hear this track until later, so just listen. What's left to do? We can stop the attitude and show me that I'm still your only dude. Pardon me, but I never meant to be rude. Now listen to the interlude, so anything you do, you will always be my boo. Spin the track back just to get in memories, yeah, that's a song. And now I figured out I lost my everything. I was still with my homies, but all I could do was be lonely. So I gotta do what I gotta do and get it over to your crib sooner than soon, and hold your hands up in the doorway, saying that I didn't want you to go away. Tell you that I need a hug just to feel, even if it's for the last time's sake. And maybe you could realize this was all a big mistake. I know you cry and I will too, but that's okay if I could live this moment holding you, boo. In my hand, calling up your number 10 times, no answer, and I'm standing out in your front lawn. The lights look like the rock and no one is home. I know you're feeling alone, and I know that you're here. And if you're not, then I'll wait forever till you get here. I don't know anything right now except you and me. I'm feeling so nervous right now, I can feel it to my knees. I'm knocking on your door, hoping that you're there. I know you're gonna say seeing me is awkward, I know you better by now. So when the moment comes, I'm looking at you again. You don't know how much it hurts not to be your man. Now be up on my knees while I'm holding your hands, and I know how you feel. Your eyes are filled with pain, and if there was an angel of hope, by the end of the night everything will be the same. Say, wanna give me another chance? I love you, baby. 7-Eleven.